Assalamu alaikum. This is Science for All channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Boyle's law. Boyle's law is only obeyed by ideal gases, while the real gases do not obey Boyle's law. Ideal gases are basically the hypothetical gases that exist under certain temperature and pressure conditions, while the real gases are natural gases that exist in natural environmental conditions. So the Boyle's law is only obeyed by ideal gases, the gases that exist under certain conditions. So next we will discuss about the definition of Boyle's law. Boyle's law tells the relationship between volume and pressure of a gas, keeping two things constant. One is temperature and the second is quantity of gas. For a gas to obey Boyle's law, temperature and quantity of a gas should remain constant, and under these conditions, the volume of a gas is inversely related with the pressure. I can explain this with the help of an example. That suppose we have a container containing a gas. If the volume of a container is decreased, and the pressure of the gas is increased on the walls of the container, and vice versa. Now I will explain this with the help of a graph. Before the graphical representation, I will explain the formula that P is inversely related with the volume of a gas. If removing the sign of proportionality, we have constant, which state that product of pressure and volume should remain constant. And then there is a graph, pressure on the y-axis and volume on x-axis. In this graph we can see that if the pressure is increased, the volume of a gas is decreased, and if the pressure is decreased, the volume of a gas is increased, and vice versa. So this is all about Boyle's law. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.